In today's video, I will show you my favorite place to stake UniSwap, and I will show you how easy it is to make some money staking. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. As you guys know, I am a big fan of staking. I love earning passive income. I love making money for simply holding projects I believe in. And UniSwap just happens to be one of those projects. So in today's video, I will show you where I'm staking my UniSwap in order to earn some interest. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And now let's jump right into the video. UniSwap is a leading decentralized crypto exchange that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. It is one of the most popular decentralized exchanges and does a ton in volume. Right now there are a lot of decentralized exchanges that are very popular, such as PancakeSwap. But I believe as the fees in Ethereum start dropping, a lot of people are going to start using UniSwap. So I'm holding it for the long term. In all the projects that I'm holding long term, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a ton of other coins, I like to earn interest for simply holding them. And now let me show you exactly how I'm earning interest with my UniSwap. So I'm pretty much holding my UniSwap on the BlockFi platform. If you guys haven't heard about BlockFi, I talk a lot about it on this YouTube channel. So all the cryptocurrencies that you are keeping on BlockFi, you will earn interest on them. The interest is accrued daily and paid out at the end of every single month. So it is very simple. All you have to do, sign up to a BlockFi account. You can use that link in the description box below. And if you use that link, you can get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin. And now let's log into my BlockFi account so I can show you exactly how much interest I'm earning with my UniSwap and how easy it is to stake it. Alright, so now we are inside of my BlockFi account, and as you can see, I have $19,506 in this account. And currently I am holding 3 coins. Let's check them out. I am holding 14,655 in USDC stablecoin. I'm holding $4,585 in UniSwap, and I am holding $282 in Bitcoin. So that brings my total to just under $20,000. And every single day with my holdings, I am earning $3.40 worth of interest. So all 3 of these coins are paying me interest for simply holding them on the BlockFi platform. Best of all, on the BlockFi platform, there is no lockup period. I know other platforms that allow you to stake UniSwap, you have to lock it up for a certain amount of time. But on BlockFi, you do not have to do any of that stuff. You can simply deposit your UniSwap and day one, you will start earning interest on it. I like this benefit simply because if the price of UniSwap starts skyrocketing and I want to take some profits, I can take some profits on the BlockFi platform. I can sell some of my UniSwap, convert it into stablecoin, and I'll be sitting on some nice little profits. But other platforms that lock it up and you decide you want to sell, you pretty much have to wait until the expiration period expires before you end up selling your UniSwap. So personally, not having my coins locked up is a big benefit in my opinion. And now let's look at the interest rate that you will be receiving on BlockFi staking your UniSwap. Alright, so when we scroll down, you are able to see all the coins that you can pretty much keep on BlockFi and earn interest on them. They obviously have Bitcoin, which pays 4%. They have Ethereum, also pays 4%, Litecoin 4.5%, Chainlink 3%, and now finally the one and only UniSwap, it pays 3.75%. It is not like a huge APY, but over time it will add up and you'll be able to earn even more UniSwap. Then they also have Basic Attention Token that pays 3.65%, Pax Gold pays 2%, DAI, a stablecoin, pays 8.5%, which is pretty good. Then all the other stablecoins like USDC pays 7.5%, Binance USD 7.5% as well, Paxos 7.5% as well, and Gemini Dollar 7.5%. One other awesome feature about BlockFi that I want to mention is you can have your interest, your staking rewards paid out in any cryptocurrency that you want. As you saw earlier, I'm holding USDC, Bitcoin, and UniSwap on my account. but all of the interest that I earned from all three of those coins get paid out in Bitcoin. My goal is to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible, but you can also do it the other way around. I can have all the interest from my USDC, from Bitcoin and UniSwap get paid out in Uni. This way I will accumulate even more UniSwap and grow my position that way as well. Or you can simply have the interest paid out in the coins that you are staking. For example, UniSwap will earn you more UniSwap, Bitcoin will earn you more Bitcoin, USDC will earn you even more USDC. But it is all up to you on how you want your interest to be paid out. And now let me show you how easy it is to deposit some UniSwap onto BlockFi so you can start staking and start earning daily interest. So when you first log into your account, you're going to press fund in the very top. Once you press fund, it will give you a selection of all the different coins that you can deposit and their interest rates. Also, you can deposit US dollar. It all depends on what your strategy is. So for this example, we are going to click UniSwap. Then when you press UniSwap, it will take you to this screen where it will show you your UniSwap BlockFi address. And then all you have to do is send your UniSwap to that address and you will start earning free UniSwap day one. So that is how easy it is to deposit some UniSwap onto the BlockFi platform. In my opinion, it is the easiest way to stake to earn interest on your crypto. It is super simple, and best of all, the interest accrues daily and gets paid out monthly. Also, it compounds. So the longer you hold it on BlockFi, the more money you are going to make. And in my opinion, this is a great way to earn some passive income. As of right now, I have just under 20,000 in my BlockFi account, and I'm making around $140 worth of free crypto every single month. And going forward, that money is going to compound and I'll be earning even more money as time goes by. And my plan is to add more funds into my BlockFi account so I can make even more passive income. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick little video. If you want to start staking your UniSwap on BlockFi, check out the link in the description box below. BlockFi, in my opinion, is an amazing platform. It has a ton of awesome features, so make sure to do your own research, check it out, and you can start staking your UniSwap day one. And as always, if you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer all your questions and help out as much as I possibly can. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.